No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. You don't want to give me a kiss? Why?
As you guys can tell, my dog is very pissed because he knows I'm talking about him, and he knows he has a fat ass, and I don't know what to do about it because I don't think there's anything to shrink it. It's so damn big and juicy. Like, I just want to touch it, like, so much. Like, can I touch it? Ah. Let me touch it.
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Bo's enjoying the jacuzzi.